guys, we have come to the end of Mishmas. Very, very bittersweet. Happy day 25 and happy holidays to those of you who are celebrating today, who have been celebrating. I just wanted to, well, open up the last of the Advent calendars. So yesterday I had a sit down video. So today we're doing a little bit of catch up, but I think 2 of my Advent calendars ended on the 24th. So I think it actually worked out that I can open up the last day of those Advent calendars on the last day of Mishmas. Anyway, I did want to share with you that I was able to make a $5,000 donation to Rolling Dog Farm. Last year I donated $3,000 and I wanted to get close to hopefully doubling what I was able to donate last year, and came close. So $5,000 has been donated to Rolling Dog Farm, and I'll put the receipt up here. So I just wanted to thank you guys for all of your support. I want to thank my sponsors this month. Every one of you contributed to this donation to Rolling Dog Farm this month, so I just wanted to thank you guys. And if you are unfamiliar with Rolling Dog Farm, I will have a link to their site down below in my description box, but I've been donating to them for a very, very long time. And I'm so happy to be able to be making larger and larger donations. It's so exciting for me. They are a farm that predominantly helps aging, handicapped dogs, and they give them medical care, and it's just a wonderful organization, and they are based in New Hampshire. So a big thank you to them for dedicating their lives to this. So yeah, definitely check them out, and if you are looking for a donation before the end of the year, I would suggest them. They are really great, and I do hope one day to go and visit them if that is even a possibility, but I would just love to be able to meet the dogs. They send out a newsletter, I believe every quarter. It is on their site. There is an electronic version of this newsletter, and they just give you this really nice rundown of what's going on, and any newcomers that they may have, or like surgery updates on any of the pups. And it's just, it's so great. Every time I get the newsletter, it's like so heartwarming. So I just wanted to mention that, and I will be taking the rest of the year, I was going to say month, but the rest of the year off. So I will see you guys back in January. We'll be back at it. I have a few projects underway for 2022, so I'm really excited to be able to launch those and show them to you guys whenever they're done. There's no ETA at the moment. A lot of things keep getting pushed back, but that is to be expected. So sometime in 2022, I'll have a few fun announcements. I'm really, really excited. I've been working on one for a couple months now, and yeah, I'm like kind of nervous, but I'm excited. I'm anxious about it, but hopefully I'll be able to talk about it with you guys maybe a little early on in 2022, at least the first half of next year. Oh, and I do also want to mention just a quick jewelry update. So I had taken pre-orders for some of the pearl, diamond, and 14 karat gold Huggies that I have. Those have all been shipped out, and also the pearl and 14 karat gold bracelets. So those have all been shipped out as well. So I'm still waiting on the 14 karat gold and onyx drop earrings. I had estimated a ship date for right around MLK Day, so like mid to later part of January. We're still on track for that. Those are my expectations. So for those of you who pre-ordered those, they are still on the way. They are being handmade as we speak, which is very exciting. But if anyone is interested in like the pearl dangles or the pearl bracelets, I do have some stock now. So you can shop at my link, which is down below in my description box. And I'm also doing like a beta shop basically with YouTube, which is really exciting. So there's like it's almost like a film strip view of items that are available on my shop below all of my videos. So if you kind of scroll down below this video right now, you'll see like shop, my store, and then you'll see like pictures of everything, and you can just click there and that'll take you to my shop, or you can just use the link in my description box, whatever is easier. But I did just want to mention that But let's go ahead and hit these advent calendars. I really want some coffee. It's time. Okay, here's the last day. Oh my goodness. So this was day 24, but we're opening it up today. So exciting. So we have El Salvador Finca El Ingenio. So it is a medium roast, and it has notes of toffee, apple, and plum. Right there. Ooh, so exciting. So let me go ahead and get this steeping. Hi, Butters. Let me get this steeping and we'll hit the other advent calendars. Hi, baby. Came over to visit? Because mommy's by the advent calendars. Huh? All right, since we have Butters' attention, let's let's do her advent calendar. So, 24. Oh, it's the big one. The big one down here. Ah, oh my God. Well, this should last a lot longer than those stuffies because this is a rope toy. Oh, nice. Okay, baby, you want your toy? Oh, okay. All right. Go get it. Go get it. All right, let's check out Joe Malone. So here's 24. I believe that's it, right? Yeah, so it's just 24 in here. So excited. God, this is big. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. It's like their smaller size of the English pear and freesia. This is the 1 fluid ounce, 30 mil. Oh, this is one of my favorites from them, and it's such a wonderful, like, winter fragrance. Oh, this is so nice. This is what I've been smelling every single time I open this up. I think I mentioned it's just like such a joy to open the box up because you just, you got all of like the beautiful fragrances, but this was definitely the standout. That's so awesome. Yes. So that is it for Joe Malone. Oh my goodness. Thank you for all the pleasure you gave us this past month. Well, that sounds wrong, out of context. Thank you for all the lovely gifts you had in your little calendar here, Joe Malone. Okay, that sounds better. Okay, and for Diptyque. Oh, I can't believe all of this is coming to an end. So here is 24. I think Diptyque has 25 days. Yes. So there's 24 and 25. All right. I don't know if what's more common. If you guys know, let me know down below in the comments section to have 24 or to have 25 days in an advent calendar. I guess there are no rules. But let's go ahead and open up 24. So exciting. So we have an eau de toilette, and this is in, I can never read these. Let me open it up. This is eau de Seine. Eau de Seine. Very clean, very light, very fresh, with a hint, oh, Butters, hey baby. With a hint, like a little hint of bitterness. Almost like a cocktail with like bitters in it. Ooh, that's very nice. It's a little unisex. I think that bitterness kind of makes it unisex. Oh, wow. Let me tell you, this advent calendar, if I didn't love Diptyque before, I love it now. Like I mentioned, I've never been into their fragrances, only their candles, and a little bit of their body care. And this has just opened up my eyes. Like I really have to go and investigate like what fragrances I want to start with. There was that one that I really love, the Eau Capitale. I think that had that like deep rose scent. That one I definitely want to try out. But anyway, it's been so like eye-opening. I love it. Okay, and here is 25. This takes up a huge amount of real estate here. Ooh, what's in here? Oh my God. Oh, this is one of their holiday candles. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, here we go. This is the Sepin? This is the holiday candle that smells like pine trees. So super fresh. I actually have this trio over in my office and I haven't burned it in a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and set this one on fire. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's not quite as fresh and sweet as the Jo Malone pine and eucalyptus, probably because the eucalyptus is in there. This one's a little bit more, I don't know, sophisticated, I guess. It's beautiful. And I feel like there's a tiny, teeny tiny hint of wood smoke in here. Lovely. Look at how beautiful this vessel is. Okay, last day for Christmas Bear. So today will be his last dunking. All right, let's plunge this coffee. And thank you, Christmas Bear. Very hot, very hot. Ooh, super tart. Yeah, very fruity. I think some of the notes were apple and plum. I mean, the fruity kick is really strong in the beginning, and then it just sort of dies down. And then the third note that they mentioned was toffee. I feel like that will probably come out a bit more when I add milk. It's very appley for sure. I don't know if I can discern like the plum out of there, but very, very appley. Okay, let me go ahead and add some milk. It's good with the milk. I feel like, you know, I can taste a little bit of the toffee. No fruit though. I can only taste the fruit. I feel like that's pretty much been the standard situation for all these coffees. Don't really taste the fruit after I add the milk, but I taste more of like, if there's like toffee or caramel or chocolate and all that kind of stuff, I feel like I can taste that more once I add the milk. So now that we are done with these advent calendars, how sad, how sad. But now that we're done with these advent calendars, what did you guys think? I think this one was so much fun. The different coffee every day, as you guys know, I'm really into coffee. And because I have that super automatic espresso machine and it has the place where you throw the beans in, I usually just stick to the same bean or like similar types of beans. So it was really fun for me to try all of these different coffees. And I think day 23, which was 2 days ago, I really, really love the Guatemala Genuine Antigua. That one was really good because it really tasted like honey. I thought that was really interesting. And I really loved the Santa Spice. I thought that one was really good. And then where was the one? I think it was day 3, the Bakewell Pud, short for pudding, caramel cherry chocolate. I liked that one. And then I think it was the Monsooned Malabar. This one from India. I really liked that one. That one was spicy and I really liked that. So there were some really interesting discoveries in here. This was so much fun. And I think for Jo Malone and Diptyque and Chantecaille, the 3 other advent calendars I've been opening, I'm like so impressed with them. I think they were so much fun. The Chantecaille one was sent to me, so a big thank you to them for sending that advent calendar over. It was 12 days, so if you guys joined Mishmas late, you may have missed that, but I opened that up the first 12 days of Mishmas. But I personally didn't purchase any like makeup or skincare ones because, I don't know, I think I have this thought that they're just gonna throw like samples in there. And I don't need samples of stuff when you can just get them, like Nordstrom sends you tons of samples all the time. Ulta will send you samples. Sephora, you can pick out samples. I feel like you're always getting samples of those sorts of things, like little things of skincare, little things like a little lipstick or whatever. And so I just sort of avoided the makeup skincare ones. And so I focused on, obviously Jo Malone and Diptyque are kind of similar between like fragrances and candles or whatever, because I thought that was, I don't know, I just thought that that would be a little bit more fun, especially being able to get like little candles. I thought that is great to get like little votives. And I'm like so happy with those two advent calendars. I definitely want to get them again next year. I definitely want to do a coffee one. If I can't find a better one than Yawn, I'll do Yawn again. But I feel like this is going to be a new tradition during Vlogmas or Mishmas. And in terms of the Doggy Advent Calendar, because she does have such a strict diet, I'm pointing over there, she's right there. Because she has such a strict diet because of her history with pancreatitis, what I may do is just keep that one and put other little treats in there for her and toys and stuff. Or maybe I can find one that's just toys. Maybe I can find that, but a lot of them, I looked around, a lot of them are actually just treats. So anyway, I thought that was a fun advent calendar too. I like the toys that they put in there. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, so that is my advent calendar roundup. Very, very pleased with them, and definitely gonna do them again next year. Look, she's sleeping with her toy. Oh, isn't she the cutest? Butters, you want to wish everyone a happy Mishmas? Happy holidays? We're gonna sign off. Thank you guys so much for tuning into Mishmas this year. I had so much fun filming this. I am exhausted. I'm gonna take the rest of the year off, but happy holidays, happy new year, and I will see you in 2022.